Hello everyone. So I've been away for a while. I'm not doing YouTube videos, and when I got back to doing YouTube videos, I totally forgot how to set up my camera. When I got back to recording videos again, my videos were dark, yellowish, and noisy. I had to fix most of the stuff in post, but as you know, if you put bad stuff in, you get bad stuff out. And you could only do so much in post. Let me show you how to set up a camera for shooting video to get the best look. But in order to do so, I have to use this camera that I'm recording right now and switch it with the iPhone camera. Okay, so we're back. As you can see here, this lens is a prime lens. It's a 50 millimeter. I like using the 50 millimeter. So if you're gonna get a lens, try to get one where you'll have the smallest focal length. And this one is like a 1.8. Here you go. 1.8 focal length. There you go. Right now, if you don't have a lens that has a low focal length, you can pretty much use any one, but just make sure you adjust your settings to match that lens. Okay, so first of all, you want to go into your camera settings over here and switch that to manual, because if you put it into auto, it really doesn't help you any. You're not going to get the best looking image with auto. All right, so you have to set it to manual. Okay, now we're going to go into, let me open up camera. Okay, so now we're going to go into our settings. Go to movie size, and we want to adjust our movie size to 1080 at 60 FPS. Now, some people prefer 30 FPS, but I think 60 looks the best. And also you can slow down the image to give you that slow-mo. Okay, so next we want to go over to white balance. And on the white balance, you want to choose either tungsten light or white fluorescent light. You can choose either one just as long as it gives you the best image quality, because it's dependent on the light bulb that you're using. And mine is more tungsten light, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, so once that's set, we're going to go out and we're going to look at these numbers down here and this number over here. So make sure this is set as 60, because we're recording at 1080p at 60 frames per second. And also make sure this focal length here is at 1.8, because my lens can go down as far as 1.8. Now, if you're not sure what your camera is capable of, then just press on that and kind of dial it down to as low as it'll go, and just leave it there. And then you want to look at this over here, the ISO. So the ISO is what you want to adjust for your brightness. There you go. So you can make it darker or brighter. See, this just makes it brighter. The higher number, the brighter it is, and the lower the number, the darker it gets. And auto, don't use auto. That's not gonna help you. Okay, just do 400. For my lighting system, I have a lot of lights here, so it's at 400. If you don't have a lot of lights, then you might want to have it at 800 or more. All right, that's it. That's all you have to do. If you like these videos, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.